Here's I will show you how to set fingerprint in your Samsung Galaxy phone. First of all, go ahead and open settings. In your settings, go down and tap on lock screen. Under lock screen, tap on screen lock type. And first of all, here you have to select PIN, password, pattern or swipe option. Sorry, you have to select PIN, password or pattern option. Let's select pattern and let's add a pattern. Continue. Again, draw the pattern, tap on confirm. Once you added any of them, now here again tap on screen lock type, verify your pattern or password, and now under biometrics here you will find fingerprints option. Now enable fingerprints and here tap on continue. And now place your finger on the sensor, then lift it off when the percentage goes up. All you have to need, just put your finger in the power button, and that's how you have to complete this percentage. Complete your fingerprint setup process. Once done, if you want to add another finger, just tap on add or tap on done. And that's it. You have successfully added your fingerprints. Now let's lock our phone. And now let's unlock our phone using our fingers. And as you can see, finger is working perfectly. Thanks for watching.